G'day everybody, welcome to Paris. And yes, you guessed it, heading off on another free walking tour. Going to take the train to the Notre Dame, that's where it starts. I've got about 25 minutes to get there. Shouldn't take long, it's about 5 stops on the train. So yeah, going to head to see what this tour's like. Oh, wow. Alright, let's go.
It's not too far from here. They call us sometimes Les Hospices de Paris. You say Notre Dame, that could mean any church in France. There are a lot of churches known as the Church of Our Lady, and that's what Notre Dame translates as, folks. Now, before I do that, guys, we crossed the river, and that is the River Seine. Now, if you go back 2,500 years, you have a Celtic fishing tribe, and they are rowing up the River Seine. And they land on this island here, because we're on an island, guys. We're not on the northern side of Paris, or the right bank. Right, guys, so I think there's a tenor in there, which is quite nice. But before we go past that, behind this, we've got this institution here, where this lovely Baroque dome is. We call this the Institut de France. And ever since the minute moment. But guys, if you do have reservations already, if you've already got a skip the line ticket or something like that, on the other side of the pyramid, on the left hand side, use that entrance. If not, folks, I'm going to show you.